Facilities technician responded to an emergency work order to a hot building. Surgery suites were put on hold until the environmental control unit was performing optimal.
Mechanical cooling was knocked out on rooftop unit number 1 due to load test on the 3rd Saturday of the month. To reset the mechanical cooling, you need to check the breaker for RTU1 compressors. This is down this hallway in a closet. This is the breaker panel L-GPP-2. Here's a note: do not reset RTU 1B without turning off the RTU first. Here's RTU 1B. The breaker's in the trip position. So as the note says, we need to turn off the unit. So we'll go to the roof and I'll show you which switch to toggle. You do not need to touch these disconnects. They're disconnected from the door. Okay, go ahead and set up your A-frame ladder. You can go ahead and toggle the S1 switch. This one here. Turn it off. Now we're gonna go back down and reset that breaker. Okay, I'm back down at the electrical panel. Now we can reset RTU 1-B. We'll throw the switch to off. And then we'll throw it back to on. Okay, the breaker is reset. Now we'll go back to the roof, toggle the S1 switch to on. Okay, nothing will happen immediately. The Dakin controller is being re-energized. First 5 minutes is a test and reboot. The next 5 minutes we'll start recirculating fans. After that 5 minutes is completed, the first stage of compressors will begin, and so on.